Moving now to Deere Company, otherwise known by its more extended name John Deere. It's a manufacturer of agricultural and turf and construction and forestry equipment. So you may be aware or not that John Deere also manufactures those little drivable lawnmowers that they whiz around golf courses on.
Yes.
Market cap $39.9 billion, price earnings ratio 22.61, dividend yield 1.91. But look at the share price. Look at that move there on the end. That's incredible. So it's really rocketed higher. Inter alia on announcements related to deals. They bought for $5 billion a German road construction equipment manufacturer. But this one just looks like a stock which was, a little bit sleepy and has since gone big.
No, certainly, from 2013 you can see it's sleepy, and then all of a sudden the green machine came to life.
And
the price just rocketed.
Yeah, we've got one client who bought these because he is a farmer and he really liked the idea of owning the stock. Although his John Deere tractors are old ones. They're not the ones with the computers and all of the other equipment that drive themselves and the iPad and all the rest of it. But the stock has done incredibly well. He feels pretty proud of himself. So.
No, certainly. I think if you look in terms of machinery within the agriculture, whether it's planter or any other implement, John Deere and obviously Massey Ferguson are the leaders, and the green machine seems to be obviously more prevalent. If you look in Swaziland, actually,
are they more expensive than the other machines you can get?
They're different variation. I think the John Deere one, you've got one manufacturers, whereas the Massey Ferguson, you've got ones that are done in Europe and ones that are done in Brazil. There's slightly difference in the hydraulic. Okay.
But how would you compare, for example, to a Chinese manufacturer like Photon or something? Would you say the John Deere offers you a more quality product?
Quality, there's no doubt about that. You just have to travel around the farms.
So maybe it costs more at the front but lasts longer.
Certainly. I think if you go to Swaziland, you don't see anything other than the green machine.
That's good.
Yeah.
As far as the stock is concerned, the earnings have been rising though. So obviously what they've been enjoying is a bit of a revival in infrastructure spending and agricultural planting and so on and so forth. That's driving the sales. So after a period of people deferring expenditure on capital in the agribusiness area, it's now starting to fire up again. Okay, even though it's risen a lot, the price earnings ratio 22.6 doesn't look too hot, so not too expensive rather?
Not too expensive, but obviously given the growth and what they're looking for. Remember, sometimes your higher PE does not necessarily mean it's expensive, but it could be saying that, you know what, guys are willing to put money there because they see growth opportunities. If your earnings do not follow that, obviously then you're going to have some headwinds.
But for now it looks good, so we're going to go hot on this one. Excellent, good.